So we got a package. It's an important one. That is like concerningly light. Oh boy. All right, well, let's open this up and see what's inside of this. I've had a bad experience with plastic toilets recently, so. Ta-da! Let's bring it in. It is like 90 degrees. And we don't have air conditioner in here yet. We're gonna need to get that in here soon. Fast. Well said. And this toilet weighs like literally 10 pounds. That's where it'll go.
Try it out.
Looks like it's been used.
Oh no.
I think it gets the job done. It was from this place. It was one of the most recommended ones, so if any of you guys have the Domatic 300, let me know what you think of it. I'm guessing it's light because it's supposed to be in the back of an RV or a schoolie.
Wow, there's like nothing to it.
Oh, she just tipped it over.
It's nice. Thanks to the Domatic 300 for letting us buy one.
Alright, well that's been the biggest upgrade in the bus. We now got a toilet. It's blazing hot in here, so I guess the next purchase is definitely going to be an air conditioner. But we got a commercial that we are part of in like 10 minutes, so we're going to get changed and get ready for that.
We got Bessie over here. She's been sweltering hot. Let's go, we're going to be late. Let's go. Roll up. Folks.
We are being extras in a commercial. And that's about it.
We're going to show up and do our thing. See what happens. Yeah.
Such a pretty name.
Oh, thank you.
So just start filling in up till number 5 there. Same with you guys can sit next to them.
Music got the best in me.
How's the day on set?
Good. Long. Very hot. My jeans are sticking to my thighs. But we're almost done.
What have you done so far?
Clapped. Fake smiled. Looked at my phone.
Watch TikToks. Well, that was a long, hot day. Pretty much just sat in the stands and clapped. Got paid.
Got paid. Can't wait to see it. Pretty sure I'm in all the shots.
Alright, now let's go find some sort of lake to jump in. How was that?
Freaking disgusting, but the water feels immaculate. You know why cold water is insecure?
Why?
Because it never gets cold hot. So sad. Anywho, now I'm gonna grab my towel out of this fancy bag that Ardos sent us. I had a Bluetooth speaker in there because music would make this great, but it wasn't working, so I threw it in the lake, and now it's just not syncing. So. All right, time to go home. See you later.
What you doing over here?
Taking photos of my new blender. Beast blender plus the hydration system. We got the hydration system right here. 10 out of 10 recommend this blender. It is all glass, all rubber, all equal in 3 different colors, gray, black, white.
With a review like that, I feel like we just have to be sponsored at that point. That was... Alright, back to work.
Best in class blending.
On TikTok especially, we get asked a lot about how we make money with SunChaser. One of the main sources is from client projects. People can hire us out to create content for them. We offer photography, video, design, and branding.
3, 2, 1.
What am I gonna do? Put you right the arm. And what?
Just spaz it out.
How many don't jiggle jiggle? Look at what's she doing? Oh, she closed her eyes. She doesn't have a tongue.
This was some technology that we use in parts for a music video that we shot for a band Good Problem. They came to us, they wanted a music video, and we storyboarded it, directed it, and shot it.
A couple tears followed by a laugh. A good day followed with a bow.
Another way we make money from SunChaser is social media management. When another business, brand, company, or even just a personality wants to be active on social media and put out content, they come to us and we take the social media and content creation side off their hands. There's one brand that we work for that I love called Men We Admire, and we grew them from 0 to 4,000 in like 2 months, I think. The next way is through brand deals, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Brands and companies can have us review their product or use it, test it out. Brand deals and affiliate marketing is always weird because I don't want to promote anything that's garbage, and I don't want to push anything onto you guys that's trash. But for example, this stuff, Drink Alchemy, a good friend of mine owns this company. This stuff's awesome. If you use code ANDYPERSONS, you get 10% off your order. That's something I recommend. Also, this cool bag that you saw earlier, this was sent to us. It's a pretty cool travel bag. Little cubbies in here. I mean, if you're looking for a travel bag like this, I 100% recommend this. Those are both great products and great people to work with. Code SCMedia20, you can get 20% off that bag. All things I recommend. The next way is through user-generated content. And for lack of a better name, that's what we're gonna call it. Basically where someone comes to us that wants us to be the face, the personality of their content, but we're not necessarily gonna post it on our platform. We actually have a really cool client that we're doing this with right now, but we can't talk about it quite yet. But it's a really fun project and it's in the crypto space. And last but not least, this is one that's currently in the works and not something we're making money off of yet. But we've had a few people ask if we could do SunChaser merch or open up a shop. And for us, that would be a dream come true. That's like really our main goal when we started all this, would be able to just sell cool merch, handcrafted goods, and stuff that just embodies the SunChaser vibe. If that's something that you're interested in, definitely drop a comment below, and we'd love to kick off the SunChaser shop and have a blast with it and be able to create some really cool stuff for you guys.
Stop this, get right. Stop this, get right.
It's kinda murky. There's a lot of seaweed. I like my big toes. I don't want any snapping turtle to come think it's like Cheeto or something.
We're jumping in that side. Not that side.
But it's still, it's not much different.